Hello everyone. If your Google Drive is not accessible, I'm going to show you how to fix it in simple steps. So first, you want to make sure you're actually connected to the internet. To do that, click on the Wi-Fi icon on your taskbar. And then just open a random website on your browser. I'm going to open this just to make sure that our connection is working properly. On a mobile phone, swipe down on the top right of the screen and check to see if your phone is connected to the internet. Then, as you did on the PC, open a random website. If the site doesn't load, your Google Drive may be inaccessible due to bad internet connection. Reconnect to a more stable internet connection. So next, you want to make sure you're signed into your Google account. To do that, click on the profile on the right corner of the screen and sign into Chrome if you're not already signed in. Once you've done that, you want to clear your browser cache. To do that, simply click on the three dots on the right corner of the screen, scroll down, and select Settings. And on the left side of the screen, click on Privacy and Security, then delete browsing data. And here you can just tick this box that says cached images and files and simply delete the data. To clear Google Drive app cache on your mobile phone, tap on the gear icon to open up Settings, then tap on App Management, then App List, then scroll down and select Drive. Then tap on Storage and Cache, then tap on Clear Cache. And if you're using the Google Drive app on your PC or your mobile phone and clearing the cache doesn't work, simply uninstall and reinstall the app. Next, we're going to verify Google Drive status by visiting a website called Google Status Dashboard. To do that, simply type it in here, Google Status Dashboard, and click Enter. Then click on Google Workspace Status Dashboard. And scroll down till you see Google Drive over here. And you see that it's working properly, so the problem is not from there. If these steps don't work, try accessing Google Drive from a new incognito window. To do that, click on the three dots and select New Incognito Window. If that still doesn't work, Google Drive may just be inaccessible at the moment. Try accessing Google Drive again later on. And that's it for today's video. I hope it helps you out. If it did, make sure to leave a like, share, and leave a comment below if you have any questions. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.